Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca espresso machine. It comes to us with a leak from over there and from the group head too. So even when the machine was off, that's what the customer complained. So when I tested, I found the machine needs a tune-up. And the vacuum release valve, I found it also was leaking. So I just replaced it and clean and resealed the water level sensor probe and replaced the shower screen and the group head gasket. These two. And the OPV found it a little bit also leaks, so I replaced the gasket for that OPV valve and descaled the machine multiple times and flushed both boilers. Clean the steam one, deep clean it, and the hot water spout. I saw also the filter here. I took it off and so I can put it back. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. This is not belong to this machine, but it's similar to another Lelit. This machine comes without the portafilter. Let's go ahead and do it. Fusion. Let me show the pressure. Here, it's perfect, in line. And stable there. This is great flow, giving great shot in the 30 seconds. What I got here, 3 layers of coffee and a thick crema and tasty shot. So let's test the steamer. That works perfect. And let me do the hot water. That works great too, and the machine responded in the same moment and start refilling after I get clean the water level sensor probe. Yeah, the machine functioning perfect. Everything on it is great. Thank you for watching.